When you come back home, you feel kind of empty. What am I here for? What is my life purpose? It can't be just this.
When you call yourself a seeker, you try to go every other direction that your heart tells you to.
My whole life, I was searching for something more. I was thinking that cannot be true, that I'm just like here and all of these problems, what are coming and go, it's not part of me.
The way they have taken care of us, the way they have led the program, they have guided us, it is really out. I mean, I don't have words to explain that.
Everything was like a surprise, and it was, okay, I never expected this is happening. I never expected that is happening. So it was wonderful and well planned and beyond my expectation.
The introduction, the engagement of the 60 people was so good the very first day that it became like a spiritual sangha. Day one, the group became like, spiritual buddies for each other. And that made the journey awesome.
It was a long journey. After a full day of work, we were very tired. But the moment we landed here, it's like transformation started seeking in. This place, everyone, and you, Rushik, all of you, I must tell you, I swear I need to be around more people like you.
I happened to meet Yash from Yog Prachar. So all my concerns settled. Because I'm not like a guru, but I had a tour guru with me.
जैसे लाइफ में कुछ इश्यूज चल रहा है, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन।
मैं ज़्यादा मतलब इमोशनल आदमी हूँ, तो उसके वजह से भी मतलब कोई ना कोई एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है ना.
There was a restless in me even from school. Classes used to happen, I used to look outside in the nature. And my teachers used to scold me, I used to get punished for always daydreaming and looking outside and being lost. There was this world, I never understood that how can this be the norm?
From long time, actually, I have some psychological issues that your mind keeps thinking something all the time, no? Overthinking, and it goes into that negative thing all the time. So it was very difficult for me to like come up out of it.
There's a lot of stress, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of pressure that, you need to do.
अंदर से वो होता है ना, एक खालीपन, मतलब भीड़ में भी अकेले हैं, वो वाली फील रहती है हमेशा. तो मैं I was looking for some escape, you can say, in right direction.
You're looking at a guy who always had a very restless mind. Yeah, so I couldn't close my eyes for more than 5 seconds at a time, 10 seconds maximum. I have never meditated in my life for around 24 minutes. I just laid down. My eyes didn't open up.
पता नहीं आप बहुत पीस में हो, एक अलग सी वाइब्रेशन होती है अंदर बॉडी में, और मुझे लग रहा है कि ये ऐसा रोज होना चाहिए.
It made me, I should be like this, not that what I'm at home.
कुछ बहुत अलग ही फीलिंग थी जो मैं एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
I felt another energy I cannot explain. I never feel this energy before.
Just tears of joy or blissfulness, or I don't know, calmness or something starts just flowing.
It's like filling an empty vase, creates an uproar of energy.
It has to be experienced. That bliss is going to be with you lifetime. For that, you will have to come here and experience. They connected us to the nature like no other person in my so many tours, like a highly professional tours I have attended. You name it, Ras in Rome and Patra in Paris. But here what I was offered was pure nature all the time. I never knew that even walking can be meditative. they imparted us that background, what it is to be sitting in Mother Nature's lap.
मैंने बहुत मजा किया and I was not expecting what I did last 4-5 days. मतलब I was with me and everyone, not in my thoughts.
So this journey has really taught me that how important it is to live the moment.
Oh, take out phone to take this. We were soaking in through our own eyes. I think though that thing we have been missing for the last few years, since phone became our second hand.
I think it's been, for the first time in my life, I'm kind of away from my phone as well.
Without the phone, without the gadgets, without that constant noise around you.
And so now, even in the morning today, you have not asked us, but I have left my phone in the room and I have come out.
The way they engage the people, community of 60 people.
There are so many people, so many stories that you get to know from each other, so many things that you learn from each other. Being in a completely unfamiliar setup with unfamiliar people and then you bonding with them.
Like वो माला में धागा रहता है ना, ये टूर का धागा था spiritual experience.
And I told the same to you as well last. You know, just being here makes you feel like सब कुछ बेच बाज दो, यहाँ आ जाओ.
I would do my 200% to connect people with you guys because I've seen your efforts and this journey has been beautiful. Everything was so planned. Single thing you took care and that touched my heart. Seriously, I'm not saying just for flattering. It really touched me.
It has been completely transformative.
I would say it was more than what I expected.
And in just 4 days, we bonded so well. We bonded like we know each other before.
मैंने कुछ तो अच्छा काम किया होगा जो आपके साथ जुड़ गया. हाँ, और वो मन की बात थी. मतलब यार ऐसा काम कर रहे हो ना तुम लोग कि यार तुम लोगों को कुछ तो दे रहे हो. तो मतलब सलाम है तुम लोग.